With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A uniform rod of mass 300 grams and length 50 cm rotates at a uniform angular speed of 2 radian per second about an axis perpendicular to the rod through an end. Calculate the angular momentum of the rod about the axis of rotation. B part, the speed of the center of the rod, and C part, its kinetic energy. So this is the figure representing our case. So this is our axis of rotation, and it is rotating about this axis with an angular velocity omega, and we have drawn a line AB through the center of mass. We are given mass M is equal to 300 grams or 0.3 kg. The length L is equal to 50 centimeter or 0.5 meter, and omega, the angular velocity about axis, let's call it xy, is equal to 2 radian per second. Calculate the angular momentum of rod about the axis of rotation. Now angular momentum is equal to moment of inertia about line xy into omega. Now moment of inertia about xy can be calculated using the parallel axis theorem, since it is parallel to the line passing through the center of mass. Therefore it can be written as I naught plus m d square, where d is the distance between AB and xy. The distance is L by 2. So putting the values, we get Ixy is equal to the moment of inertia of a uniform rod about center of mass is ml square by 12 plus mass m into d is L by 2 square. This implies we get ml square common into 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 4. This implies we get 4 by 12 ml square or ml square by 3. Therefore angular momentum is equal to ml square by 3 into omega is given to us as 2 radian per second. So putting the values, mass is 0.3 and length is 0.5 whole square divided by 3 into 2. This is equal to 0.1 into 0.5, which is equal to 0.05 kg meter square per second. This is our angular momentum. And the B part, we need to calculate the speed of center of the rod, that is velocity of point O. Now linear velocity V is equal to r omega, where omega is the angular velocity and r is the distance from the center of rotation. So V of the center, that is V of point O, is equal to omega into the distance of point O from the axis of rotation is L by 2. So putting the values, omega is 2 radian per second and L is 0.5 divided by 2. This implies speed of center is equal to 0.5 meter per second. This is the answer to B part. In the C part, the question asks to find the kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy of rotation is given as half I omega square. This is equal to half into I is ml square by 3 into omega square. Putting the values, we get Ke equal to half into mass is 0.3 into 0.5 square divided by 3, and omega was 2 radian per second, so 2 square. This will be 0.1. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to 0.1 into 0.5 is equal to 0.05 joules.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.